back to Disabled and Prepping. I got my free apple cider vinegar gummies, but they weren't actually free. They were free with purchase. But I wanted to try the ashwagandha. I know I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but I gave it a good attempt. Because it's I wanted to try it because it's for relaxation and unwinding, and I wanted to see if that would help during the day with my anxiety and dystonia. So I'm going to try to give that a try. But then, shoot, I can't remember how much I paid for it. Sorry, y'all. I don't remember how much I paid for it. But, you know me, it had to have had some kind of good deal. Otherwise, I wouldn't have really got it. But I also got the free apple cider vinegar 30-day supply, which, like I said, it's not really free because you have to purchase something else there and that company to get that one that was free. But they also have other things like, they have the apple cider vinegar gummies. They have the one that I'm looking at. Let's see what else we can find on this brochure here. They have super fruits. They have the greens, the super greens. They have, they have chocolate bites with benefits. Let's see. Multivitamin bites. Sorry, this paper was in the box with it. Calm bites, which I did not see on their website when I ordered the other one that I can't pronounce. So I picked that one because I didn't see these. So these must be going to be coming out or are out since I purchased this. But I am going to give them a try. These taste really good. I tried the sample already. And I haven't tried these at all yet. I will try them out, and I will then pin a comment to the bottom of this video when I do try them and tell you how I like their flavor. And after a week or so, see if they're doing anything for me to let you know. As always, things are different with other people, so what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. So we'll just see how this goes. These are the two items. K-Bear is right there. She was just right here sniffing stuff, but when she realized it wasn't for her, she walked away and laid down. Hey. Yeah, she is trying to find something she wants, and she's not finding it very well, so she just keeps sniffing in the air. I don't know what she smells, but whatever. She's probably looking for some treats or something. Are you looking for some treats? Do you want some of the treats? You keep looking towards the door. There's nobody coming in the apartment. The door is locked. Let's see if I can get this up. Oh, I can't get it up one-handed. I use a... Whoa, that's a lot. I use a... It's not the cat treats, but I use the cat treat shakers, so it's easier to grab some of them for her. It has a couple, like maybe 5 of them in the whole thing. So get your tail away from it. Here's your treats. Eat your treaties. So she likes her treats. Oops, you're dropping them. Here. You dropped one in your tail. She's gonna eat them. Alright, everybody. There's Kibber's treat that she's waiting for. And again, I will let you know about these products here. I did really like the flavor of the apple cider vinegar one. It didn't taste vinegary at all. And the gummies are nice and soft. almost, well, I'd say probably fairly close to the best thing I could get to, anyways, is like finger jello. It's not the same as a lot of the other gummy products that are out there. So, anyways, that's it for now. Um, I do. Oh, this is my favorite neck knife, by the way. There's no name brand on it. I do use Ranger bands to keep it tight, and glow in the dark beads with paracord. But so you wondered what I was playing with. That's what it is. I used it to open the box up. But anyways, if you want to see more about that, let me know. I will show it in more detail. But anyways, may God bless you to overflowing. May He keep each and every one of you safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.